Hi everyone, it's Tom from Groundworks Education Team for our last Dig for Victory video. Dig for Victory was just one part of the nation's efforts to feed themselves. The other important thing was reducing food waste. And of course that's just as important now, where a third of food produced actually ends up being wasted somewhere along the production line. Now, one easy way to reduce food waste is to reuse things where possible, even if they've just started to go a little bit past their best. So I showed you earlier how to replant potatoes that have started to sprout. You can do something similar with onions. So if you've got an onion and it starts to grow a small green shoot, you can let it develop, and I let this one develop for a few weeks and then was able to split it into 4 new onions. So onions divide into multiple onions when they start to regrow. So from one onion that was going off, I've managed to get 4 new ones growing. Another thing that's really easy to regrow from just a small part is spring onions. So when you're using spring onions, simply chop most of the onion up as normally, but leave the bottom 3 centimeters or so. That should have some basic roots along the bottom of it. Simply pop that into a bowl of water, a jar or a glass of water, and leave it on the windowsill to regrow. And within a few weeks you'll have a brand new spring onion. You just need to make sure that your spring onions are standing upright with the roots in the water at the bottom so that they can grow. Thank you for joining us as Groundworks starts our week-long celebration of 75 years since Victory in Europe Day. Today we've seen how Dig for Victory played an important part in England's victory and the Allied forces' victory in World War II. Join us for more videos throughout the week as we build up to a celebration on Friday of Victory in Europe Day.